Please message me in the group chat. Alright, but you won't like it. I have a coworker I don't get along with. I tried being friendly with him when I first started, but he listened to a coworker who worked in my unit, and she only ever spoke badly about me. She later admitted it's because she has a hard time making friends, is shy, and sometimes being a little bit mean helps her open up. Anyway, this coworker guy is only ever nice and helpful to the girls. For the longest time, I was the only guy in my unit. That meant that if he had info he needed to share with me, he would take it to my boss. If he had info to share with anyone else in my unit, he would come bearing gifts, usually Mexican or Japanese snacks. He prefers his private messages to be only from the girls in the office. Recently, he directly told me to only message him in the group chat. If it hadn't been for the way he told me, I would have been okay. There are managers in the group chat, timestamps, etc. I began messaging him in the group chat, but only to point out his errors, showing that he was making people wait up to an hour to hear from him on issues that normally take 2 to 5 minutes to get a response back on, sending messages that people are on hold for him, and implying that he should be taking calls he promises to take instead of leaving them to flirt with girls in the office. In the last hour of the day, he came back to me and quickly said, "Please send messages for me directly to me." I didn't. He was very stern about needing messages for him in the group chat.